Name the congruent triangle. Number 1, OGD. So O starts here, then it goes to G, then it goes up to D. So it starts on the 1 curve. So the 1 curve here is P, goes to R, so P, R, then ends up at the 3 curve, C. So triangle OGD is congruent to triangle PRC. This one, R, starts here, A, then C, so it goes across the 3 curve, then the 1 curve. So it goes across the 3 curve, then goes across the 1 curve. So it's triangle OEG. Triangle RAC is congruent to triangle OEG. L, I, then N. So it goes from the 2 curve, the 1 curve, then the 90 degrees. So it goes to the 1 curve, then the 90 degrees. So it is triangle LIN is congruent to triangle EAR.